Welcome back to another weekly recap. Let's get into it. This week, 18th to 24th of August, my firm earned 0.0001 Bitcoin, with Bitcoin sitting around $78,871 at the time of this video. So that means I've earned roughly $8.36. That's across all 7 miners running at 30.58 terahash with a mean efficiency of 12.21 watts per terahash. My discount held steady across 25% for most of the week, actually starting slightly higher at 25.15% on the 18th before settling in. Every single day landed a reward. Nothing missed, nothing skipped. Here's exactly what I did today. So, as you can see here, this is the same process every single week. I converted a portion of my Bitcoin rewards into GoMining to cover maintenance fees automatically. That's non-negotiable. So it happens first. From what was left, I took my usual split, half converted to USDC to build up and fund for my next miner, and the other half withdrawn straight to Bitcoin, sent to my Tangem cold storage wallet. Factoring in the 300 Satoshi withdrawal fee, so this is simple, repeatable, and it works. Now, something I wanted to walk through properly this week, my GoMining lockups. As you can see here, I've currently got 914.15 GoMining locked up. This is worth around $310 and that's earning me 876 votes. Those votes matter because they're what push you into higher levels. The more voting power you've got locked, the bigger the extra discount you unlock on your mining fees, on top of what you already get from Service Button. So far, that's brought in 29.93 GoMining in rewards, which is about $10 at the current price. This week, I added 2 new positions, 6.73 GoMining locked on the 19th, and another 5.44 locked away today, worth around $1.85, both running through to 2030. It's a long commitment, but the trade-off is a permanent boost to my discount tier, and the rewards just keep compounding on top of my mining income while it's locked. All of this is only worth doing properly if you're storing it safely, which is why every Bitcoin withdrawal I make goes straight to my Tangem wallet. It's off platform, it's mine, and nobody else can touch it. If you want one for yourself, there's a link in the description for 10% off, and it's also pinned in the comments below. Quick note on the miner market too. Since a few of you have asked what I'm looking at for the next upgrade, right now probably a 15 watt per terahash miner, which they're going for around $10, $11 per terahash. That's a range I'm keeping an eye on for now. It's a solid price point for that efficiency level, so if you're thinking about scaling up too, that's roughly where the market's sitting at the moment. That is everything for this week. My total earned, my strategy, and how the lockups are building up over time. If you're finding this useful, do drop a like and subscribe if you want to follow along every week as my farm grows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.